Hi guys, many of you found this video very interesting. If you missed the same, kindly check from the above mentioned link. So now I am trying to describe you how did I make this complete cinematography through my mobile phone, starting from recording to editing or rendering. So let's get started. In cinematography, the main key point is the transitions. There are various types of transitions, like in first, transition through actual video recording. You will find maximum of them in this video. In this case, like slidewise movement of camera or through mobile phone with perfect trimming and through perfect stitching. In second, preloaded transitions are there or the downloaded transitions. There are various kind of transitions which are available in Filmora. And in third, you can create various type of creative transitions through desktop softwares, or in case of mobile application you can use the KineMaster, which is a great software. Now jumping into my created project, there are total 32 clips. Let's find out the first transition between 1 and 2. You can easily check that it's a left to right hand movement. Again, left to right. Always trim the video where the speed is very high. Here the speed is very high. Here I am trimming the first clip. Jumping into the second video now. Checking again where the speed is maximum. Exactly at this point. So the trimming is completed between two clips. Jumping into the original video. In this way we have created the transition of this area, and also in other various areas. Now I am going to show you the uses of preloaded or downloaded transitions. Jumping into the main video, here you will find the presets or preloaded transitions. Here's another one. Here's another. Now coming back to the Filmora. On right hand side you will find the transition option. On left hand side you will find all the presets, and in bottom you will find all the video clips. In between the plus sign mentioned here. If you touch the plus sign and select any presets from the left side, you can check the transitions between two clips. In the editing tab, it's a screen record of Google Map. Here I have searched the gateway of India and open an image and transit between image to video file. Now searching for a good transition which can transfer from the Google searched image to my main video clip. It's not, fisheye is not the perfect, pixelet is the perfect one. Coming to the other key point of cinematography, that is speed. You will find the option after choosing the clip at the bottom of the tab. Speed always maintain a key role in the cinematography. Slower or faster speed always give the great effect in editing. Jumping into my original clip, here we will find the actual speed of the clip. It's a normal video captured on high frame rate, and if you notice that, you will find a slow transition camera movement at the end of this clip. Now jumping back to Filmora, here's the effect after adding the speed. Now jumping into the main video, I will share you after changing the speed, how does it look. The flying pigeon gives a great cinematic effect in it. I am going to share you a secret thing, that is, I always increase the speed in those areas where I have made the mistake, or in transitions where my camera movement is low. So here you find that I have make the slowest speed, or select the slowest speed at the initial portion where bird enters in the frame. After that, the slower speed from bottom, followed by the slow speed, and at last where I have to increase the speed of the transition movement, I have increased or choose the fast speed at the bottom of the clip. Blue and red bars of the bottom showing the change speed of this clip. According to my correction secret, showing you another clip where I have corrected the vibrations. Shaky hands or hand vibrations always spoil videos. Let's check the original clip. You will find lots of vibration in this area. So to hide the same, I will change the speed now. Jumping to the Filmora, opening the speed. Check the red area where I have chosen the fast speed, means I am hiding the vibration, followed by the slow speed to give a cinematic effect in this video. Now coming to the rest of the points which you have to cover. These are writings, PIP, filter and music. For writings, we are choosing the titles option. Here lots of presets are there for any kind of writing in the video, like the title or any other kind of common writings. For subtitles, we will get another feature, and the exported file will be in SRT format. Now the main thing, cinematic videos will not look like a cinema until or unless we put black bars at top and bottom. For the same, we have to choose the PIP option. You can download these black bars from Google in PNG format by tapping the plus sign at these bars, and you can resize as per your requirement. Guys, I can assure you that after adding this, the whole game will change. Kindly extend these two red dots for the whole duration. Now comes to the other point, that is filter. After selecting any clip, you will find the option from the bottom bar. After opening the filter option, you will find lots of presets are there. Filters are more essential thing to give a dramatic look in this kind of cinematic videos. So choose as per your preference and then click OK. Comes to the feature of adding audio file by tapping music option from the right hand side. You can choose your audio file from your own library, or from the downloads, or from the presets. You can choose the audio duration as per your requirement. If your selected duration is longer than the actual, the audio file will repeat. If it's shorter than the actual, then it will be trimmed. Guys, if you want, you can add multiple audio files or music files in it. If you want to overlap them, you can do the same also in it. Now after tapping the save button, you can export your file and enjoy. So these are all the key points and tricks and tips to edit cinematic video in FilmoraGo. That is completely through your mobile phone. Guys, if you have any questions regarding these features or if I missed something, please write down in the comment section. I will revert you as soon as possible. If you really like this video and it's helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Good luck guys. See you.